Join me as I dive into the mind of Aristotle and try to figure out if he really is the greatest philosopher ever. Aristotle is undoubtedly one of the greatest philosophers in human history, leaving an indelible mark on various fields such as ethics, politics, and science. His contributions have had a profound impact on Western thought, shaping the course of human understanding in profound ways. From the concept of causality to the classification of living organisms, Aristotle's works continue to influence scholars across disciplines. When it comes to defining greatness in philosophy, it's a daunting task. Philosophers have debated and disagreed on the criteria for centuries. But what makes Aristotle's work stand out is its sheer breadth and depth. His ideas span from metaphysics to biology, from ethics to politics, and his influence can be seen in almost every area of human inquiry. It's no wonder that scholars continue to grapple with his ideas, sparking lively debates and discussions that remain relevant today. One of the key challenges in evaluating a philosopher's greatness is the subjective nature of philosophical inquiry. What constitutes greatness in one era or culture may not hold the same value in another. Additionally, the lack of a clear metric or criteria makes it difficult to compare philosophers across different periods and traditions. Yet, despite these challenges, Aristotle's work continues to be studied, debated, and applied, a testament to its enduring relevance. Another reason Aristotle's work continues to spark debate is the complexity and nuance of his ideas. His philosophy is not a monolithic system, but rather a rich tapestry of interconnected concepts and arguments. This means that scholars can engage with his work in diverse ways, finding new insights and perspectives that continue to illuminate our understanding of human experience. Aristotle's key ideas are a treasure trove of philosophical wisdom. His concept of virtue ethics, for instance, emphasizes the importance of character and moral habits in shaping our lives. The idea of the golden mean, finding a balance between extremes, is a timeless wisdom that continues to guide decision-making and moral action. His method of empirical observation, which emphasizes the importance of data and experience, has had a profound impact on the development of modern science. In many ways, Aristotle's concept of causality revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. By identifying four causes, material, formal, efficient, and final, Aristotle provided a framework for understanding the complexities of nature. This framework has been built upon and modified over the centuries, but its influence can still be seen in modern scientific inquiry. A pivotal moment in Aristotle's life that showcases his unique perspective is his break with his mentor, Plato. Aristotle's descent from Plato's idealism marked a significant turning point in the development of Western philosophy. By rejecting Plato's theory of forms, Aristotle charted a new course, one that emphasized empirical observation and the study of the natural world. This divergence from Plato highlights Aristotle's independence of thought, and his willingness to challenge established ideas. It also underscores the significance of his empirical method, which emphasized the importance of data and experience in understanding the world. One of the most fascinating aspects of Aristotle's thought is his concept of eudaimonia, or human flourishing. Aristotle believed that humans have a unique potential for rational thought and moral virtue, and that living a virtuous life was essential to achieving true happiness and fulfillment. This idea has had a profound impact on Western ethics and continues to influence our understanding of human flourishing. Aristotle's enduring impact on philosophy is undeniable. His ideas continue to shape modern thought, influencing fields as diverse as biology, psychology, and politics. His emphasis on empirical observation, his concept of virtue ethics, and his idea of eudaimonia remain essential components of philosophical inquiry. In conclusion, Aristotle's greatness is undeniable. His work continues to inspire, challenge, and provoke scholars across disciplines, a testament to the power and relevance of his ideas. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mind of Aristotle. What do you think? Is Aristotle the greatest philosopher ever? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out another video on a related philosopher or topic.